I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm gonna give you my room tour. So basically it's my bedroom tour. So I tried my level best to keep this as real as I can because I don't want to do something extra. I don't wanna be fake. That I don't want to just decorate my room just for the video. So this is my room looks like on everyday basis. There is nothing extra I did, just a little bit of cleaning and just a little bit of arrangement I have done, and that's it. Before starting the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, hit the like button and share this video. So let's get started. See, in my bedroom when you enter is this area. This is my bed and my quilt. This cover from Shein. Bedsheet I got it from Carrefour. If you are in Gulf country, you know what is Carrefour. So Carrefour is basically like a D-Mart where you get like lot of stuff, and it's like an upgraded version of D-Mart. So you get like good stuff there. Talking about my curtains, they are blackout curtains. White curtain I got it from Amazon. Two grey color curtains I got it from Lulu. Again, Lulu is kind of a D-Mart. My side table over here, nothing. I have just water bottle. I have Vaseline. I have my earpods and some snacks, of course, and a very aesthetic tissue box. I got this from Temu. This is the lamp which doesn't work at all. I got this from Temu, but its quality अच्छा नहीं है, but it looks really aesthetic. And body shape है because I love body shape. And that's it about my side table. I have these two drawers. इसमें कुछ random stuff है. And then I have a dream catcher over here. Got this from Mumbai for 100 or 150 rupees. अभी वो थोड़ा black हो गया है, but it looks really pretty. Frame right there. This is empty, but I want to keep that छोटे pictures like Polaroid size pictures in this frame, so I make it memory of 2024. So जब ये साल खत्म होगा, I'm going to put one picture of each month. So yeah, and this is just posters which I got it from Amazon. I think I got it long back, so I don't know if I'll able to find the link or no, but I'll try my level best to find the link. The best part, like, I love this mirror. Everybody has eye on my mirror, and especially Dhwani. If you're watching this, I'm not gonna give you this. So anyway, so I got this from Friday Market. So what is Friday Market? So we have one place called Friday Market where you get all the second-hand furniture. So I got this, and this is by the way from IKEA. क्योंकि यहाँ पे लिखा भी है. And I got this entire big mirror only for 5 kd. So 5 kd is like 1,500 or something like that. So with the bulb, and the best part about this bulb, they are plastic. तो इतना इसको मैंने इतना शिफ्ट नहीं किया है because I have changed 2 or 3 houses in Kuwait. So इसको मैंने इतना मतलब कैसे भी फेंका है, but since it's a plastic, it's a good thing. It's not gonna break. I always take my full outfit pictures from this mirror. Like my favorite, one of my favorite thing in my room. The door. I know this is not aesthetic, but I don't care. It's just there. I don't know. This is my favorite corner. I have this very beautiful kinding item. So it says positive vibe, positive mind, positive life. Of course, we have to stay positive. So I put this, and every day I look at this, and every day I just think, okay, everything is gonna be good. Everything is fine. I'm good. I'm okay. So next thing is this mirror. So this mirror is not mine. I mean, was not mine. So what happened? Flat I used to stay before. I had like very basic plain mirror. उसमें कुछ काम नहीं था, nothing. It's just like basic mirror. So, and they had this mirror in their washroom. So I asked that owner, is it okay if I exchange my mirror with your mirror, because I love this and it goes perfectly on in my room. So he's like, okay. So I did not buy this. I just exchanged my old mirror with this new mirror. And then I have this poster from Shein again. Nothing but एक लड़की, and she's just holding the rose or flower, and that's it. But it just look aesthetic. That's why I bought it, of course. And then I have this photo frame. I have my brother's picture in uniform. I have my picture in uniform. Then I have my friend's picture. They are very close to me. Then I have again my brother, my mom, and me. And then I have my mama's picture. I do not have any good picture with my dad. That's why I don't have picture over here. But soon, hopefully, I'll click good pictures with my dad and I'll put it here. So yeah. Next thing is just I have this like cute plants which I got it from Shein. Artificial, of course. It looks really good in the corner. Like This is actually made, this hanging thing made for the corners. Got this from Sharm Sheikh when I went to Egypt. So Sharm Sheikh is in it is in Egypt. This is one of the famous city in Egypt. So I got this from there. I don't know the price. I cannot give you the link. But ऐसे similar अगर मुझे कुछ Shein में मिलता है, so I'll put it down. So I'll give you the link. So then let's talk about this skincare organizer or perfume organizer, whatever you wanna call it. I got this from Temu. It rotates 360 angle में, so it's good for you. I have kept all my skincare over here, all my body lotions and sunscreen and my perfume. यहाँ पे भी वही, I have my hair mask. Again, this organizer I got it from Shein. It has like this cute little drawers. This is a very cute thing which I got from Temu. This is the vase, like bag type vase है, and I love it. Quality इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है, but हमें क्या करना है क्वालिटी का, we just have to put it right. We are not gonna use it or play with it. So yeah, I bought these tulips from Temu again. Plastic है, quality is okay. थोड़ा color change हो रहा है because it was like completely in beige color. अभी थोड़ा सा black हो रहा है, if you can see it, but it's okay. It still looks good. Just to keep them together, I have put one hair tie over here, and I just put it here and I just spread them like this. A very cute my makeup pouch. इसमें इतना ज़्यादा makeup store होता है, I cannot even tell you. I keep it here every day because I apply makeup on everyday basis. So of course I need it every day. We have a corner here. I always sit here. I do my to-do list. Whatever I wanna write it down. I have that habit to write everything down. So I write everything down. I use this very cute notebook which I got from Miniso. So every morning I'll get up, I'll write my whatever I want to achieve in my life or whatever, basically kind of a manifestation. Photo frame, it says, be the reason someone smiles today. And then I have them of me and my mom. I have a money plant. This is not growing. I don't know why. I tried my level best. If you have any tips, please do let me know. This is my cupboard. This is like huge cupboard. That is my balcony, by the way. We do not, of course, open that balcony because my cupboard has taken the place. And even if you open the balcony, it's useless because Kuwait is very hot. You cannot sit outside, and whenever there is winter, it's too dusty. So I do not like to open my balcony at all. Anyway, huge cupboard. I'm not going to open because it's a mess, but I'm just gonna give you a brief. Just ignore the mess. Here I have all my sweaters, all my winter wear. Here I have all my bed sheets and my home wear like pajamas and everything. Here I have like storage boxes which I got it from IKEA again. So I kept all my tops over here. I kept all my uniform stuff there. Here I have my dry foods which I eat. Here then next section I have all my dresses. Then down there I have all my footwear. Up here I kept my bags, all my suitcases, and here I have all my bottom wears, all my bags, by the way, so many bags that I don't have space now. Up there I have all the random stuff which I buy for my family because I do not travel India every month. I travel like after 2 or 3 months, so I keep on buying stuff for my family, for my house in India, and I keep everything there. So this is the cutest cupboard I have ever seen here in Kuwait. Like I have never seen jewelry cupboard in India. This is the new thing which I got introduced when I came to Kuwait. When I was roaming around Friday market, I got to know about this. So you open this. All the jewelry over here. Not all, by the way. Some of the jewelry is still lying here. I still need to organize my jewelry. So anyway, so I have all my rings over here. I have all my necklaces over here. Then I have again some earrings, some random earrings which I wear on everyday basis. ऐसे यहाँ पे compartments है for that. Then I have all my nail pens over here. Again some random stuff. Then I have my earrings over here. These are not my entire earrings, by the way. Some of them are here, but I'm very lazy to arrange them and organize them. Then later on I have my bangles, traditional bangles. Then again I have some necklaces over here, and which I don't use on everyday basis. And then I have all the bracelets over here. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you like this little room tour. Whenever I have off, I just sit here and just relax. This is my home. This is my peaceful place where I come after my hectic day and just sit and relax. So I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like my video, share this video and follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.